Everyday Glamour with Stace. Welcome back to another video, and this video is of course going to be an unboxing of my April Ipsy bag. If you are not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified of every video that I post. And if you are a subscriber, thank you for your support. Alright guys, so this month's Ipsy bag is the April bag, and I think everybody's kind of going for the spring theme, which we're all ready for spring because spring has been like messing around with us, taking forever to get here. Thank you for coming finally. So this is like a little purple bag. Love the color, and on the front it has some little different color purples and pinks butterflies with some little metallic sides. So super cute bag, really cute. Love the look of it. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh. First and foremost, I have some blush. It is from Ofra Cosmetics, and this actually looks like a color that I can get away with. So my biggest concern last time with Ipsy was they sent me a blush that was like super light pink, and it just wasn't for the color girl. It wasn't for me. So I had to give it to my sister-in-law because she is Caucasian, and it didn't work on my face. So you know what? She came up and I could use it. So it's just a sample, but it is super cute. So I do like blush, so I will definitely use this. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, I got another brush. I did get a brush last month, but this is a brush from Vasanti, and it is just like a little brush like this. Pretty cute brush. You can always use good brushes, so because I am cheap, I will take their good brush. So that's a good deal. Let's see. So I got from number 7 Early Defense Glow Activating Serum, suitable for sensitive skin. So they must really know that like I'm getting old and like I need these face serums because I actually like this. So Ipsy, like everybody is like thinking I'm old. Ooh. So these are some invigorative gold foil like under eye like patches. It's from Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. So this is one pair here. This is what the package looks like. And then as you can see on the back, it is 2 gold under eye patches, and they sent me 2. I know this was a mistake, Ipsy, but thank you. Alrighty, and then let's see what else I got in here. Last but not least, I got, ooh, this is super cute. Let's see. Let me see what this is. So last but not least, I got the Aurora for All Lip Lovers. It is a 24-hour lively lip stain. This is actually pretty cool. So this is what the lip stain looks like. It's just in pencil form, and let's look at it. Oh my goodness. I'm excited to see how this looks. So it looks kind of like a marker. Let me see. Let me put it on my hand. Okay, this is interesting. Look at it. It's really pretty. I like the color. So it actually colors like a marker. So I'm excited to see what this is about. Love new lip colors. So all in all, Ipsy, y'all came up on the month of April for me. Because number 1, February. Number 2, March. Not really, but thank you for April because you got some stuff in here that I actually will use and actually like. So you might be saving yourself at least one more month to see if you can come through. So in their card, the month of April is Social Butterfly. So I should have read this first. What is that? Social Butterfly. Fact, life's too short to skip all the fun stuff happening right now. Instead, we challenge you to be yourself, have your best spring, and RSVP yes to everything that comes your way. So guys, that is my April Ipsy bag, and like I said, I feel like they improved. Now I do go on to the Ipsy website and give feedback and reviews on the products that I receive, so that may be what's helping. So if you guys are having issues with your Ipsy bag, definitely go on there and let them know, hey, I don't like this, hey, this didn't match me, hey, you know, I don't like this stuff, and that will help. I think that's what I did. But big ups to Ipsy for getting me right for the month of April and sending me that extra product. Thank you, Ipsy. Please comment below your thoughts, comments, whatever you think about Ipsy, whatever you don't think about Ipsy, how you like this video, thumbs up it. And thank you for joining Everyday Glamour with Stace, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.